Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'University University of Blida. Today we're going to talk about our fifth lecture titled Cybersecurity. So I have divided my fifth lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is cybersecurity? What are cybersecurity risks and vulnerabilities? Language activities, how to use receive the title of, and finally our assessment. So what does cybersecurity mean, or what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the protection of cyberspace and related technologies from records and electronic data to the physical structures and security systems. So, cybersecurity risks and cybersecurity vulnerabilities. The three goals of cybersecurity are to maintain system confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So, what does threat mean? Threat is any circumstance or event with the potential to adversely affect a cyber system through unauthorized access, distraction, disclosure, modification of data, or denial of service. So, what does a vulnerability mean? It is an exploitable weakness in a system. Third element, language activities. So how to use receive the title of. Receive the title of refers to the accepting of a new title or designation, especially in a corporate company. The phrase receive the title of is very important to understand when using it to refer to moving up in a company. Here are a few sentences that help you in deciding on how you can use the phrase to in your daily life. For examples, Abtav received the title of CCO in his company. Amin received the title of Chief Actuary Officer in his business. And finally, Mustafa was very excited to receive the title of web developer in a new company at Diyar Bahri. So finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.